Got it. This is it. Ah! There's something here. There's headbutt! There's headbutty!
You're not going in, Tom. You want to see Daddy get headbutted?
Headbutt! No, boo boo. I'm gonna be warned, he does headbutt people. Wait, did I go? First of all, he may hit you.
Oh, here we go. Definitely got character. Definitely not.
You was like. Don't let her eat the whole bag. And literally. Deal. It looks like a deal. It's a goat. That was standing. What's Deer's twin doing? What's the headbutt?
Go get him. Let it burn.
Anger issues. On his ducks. Right, I want to take a picture. Let me put you in a video. Say hi.
Don't use them all though.
I'm putting you in the video. I think that was good. Go get in the video.
That's it then, Tom.
Yeah, I see you. Back to you! Thomas, you really just throw the food at him. Headbutt. Bye-bye, headbutt. Wait, I gotta take a picture. Well, it's a really sunny day.
Used to go fade game over it.
Like, look at this. The sunshine really is hot. It really is hot today.
Do you want to see the sheep?
Sheep. We've already seen the sheep. Right, well, if
Do you
you...
see them?
Where? Sheep. Mummy, you can go in. Mummy, you can go in. Then. It's actually really, really hot. This is a daily view. Hot day. Rest in peace, you, if you get headbutted around it. Because look, hand. So I have these toys wearing on me, but it's not a really big sheep. Now they're really cute, adorable sheep. No, it doesn't. Trying to see. There's a nice sheep, and there's. You're not in here. It's a video yesterday. OMG. I am not lucky. Because I am stepping on these. Let's just see what happened. Hey, Dad, there's a goat behind you. Daddy, there's a goat behind you. Dad, there's a goat chasing after you that wants to headbutt you. Daddy, there's a goat behind you and it's trying to headbutt you. It really is funny. Wait, what's inside of her? Click on the video. Mr. Goats. Guys, well,